Caminhou já agne caminhe ia caminhar mare boi tá né.
The only place where there's still proper forest is in the Indian area. They're trying to divide them. They've been demarcated, but the government are trying to divide them and make them smaller. It's our land. We're very worried about that, and that's why I'm here to tell you. I'm really worried about this, and that's why I'm here to tell you, to see if you can help us to preserve the forest, our land, for the future generations, so that they can live happily in those lands. We still have forest in our land, so we can still hunt, and we've got a river where we can fish. We've still got a few animals that we can hunt, but right around, it's all finished. The forest has gone, and the animals have gone. So I'm here to say, please help us to preserve the forest. Again, I say, for the future of our children and children's children. I love to watch football. And all the young people in my village, they play good football. I would like to say to the president and to the ministers in Brazil, all that money that you're spending with the World Cup, the stadiums, they could have put that to better use, including indigenous peoples and the demarcation of land. Unfortunately, we weren't able to get that far to ask her. That really worries me. You know, if the forest goes and the river and the dam is the big problem, all the land will be flooded. If the forest goes, what are we going to live off? Where are we going to go as indigenous people? There's not another forest. This is our land. So they're destroying all the forest. I'm worried. I don't know if there are, but I think there are people from England that are helping to destroy the forest by, you know, big companies that are involved with the infrastructure in Brazil. In 3 days' time, the World Cup starts in Brazil. I'm not there to see the beginning of it. I'm not going to looking at it, but it's going to happen. I don't know. We don't know what's happening there while we're here. And when we go back to Brazil, we're going straight to the village. We're not stopping anywhere to see anybody or anything. We have a big meeting on the 25th for the demarcation of Capitanhari.